So lately I've been getting a lot of questions on how I get my super long Ariana Grande inspired ponytail, because clearly, as you can see my hair, it's not very long, but a lot of my friends and family members have been asking, so I just decided to make a video about it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this ponytail, let's get this video started. Alright, so this is the ponytail right here. As you can see, this is a 26-inch long ponytail, and I get this from Sally's Beauty Supply for $15. Yes, you guys heard right, $15. So this is the one that's black, because I recently dyed my hair pretty dark, so this is clearly the one that matches my hair color, because usually I use the brown one. But I have used this one about 2 or 3 times, and it still looks really good. This is synthetic hair, you guys, and I feel like it looks really good. It's not super shiny, because when synthetic hair looks very shiny, it really bothers me. And this is why I've been loving this ponytail, because for $15 and it looks as good as it does, I mean, hello, I will be running out buying this anytime. So this is what the ponytail looks like. And as you can see, it is a drawstring ponytail. This is a little adjustable piece here. It has 2 clips, one in the bottom and one on the top. And it's so easy to put on. So what I do is I put my hair up in a ponytail like I have it on right now. And then I go ahead and put this into a little tiny bun. Try to squish your bun as flat as possible, because if you don't want it to be bulky, I just realized I think my ponytail's on a little crooked, but who cares? Anyways, I just want you guys to see what I do. So my bun is a little crooked, but don't mind that right now. So I'm gonna take the ponytail, and as I said before, it has the bottom and the top clip. I do have a little braid here because one day my girlfriend suggested for me to wrap it with the braid, and I actually like that more than just wrapping the actual hair. So you do whatever you like. If you just want to wrap the regular hair around it just like it is to do the genie bun, or if you want to do a braid, you can do whatever you want with it. So I'm going to take it, and I'm going to take the top clip and stick it on the top of the bun, and then I'm going to take the bottom clip and secure it under the bun. And then the little drawstring that I showed you guys earlier, I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up. So you want it to be nice and secured. And then you're going to take that little elastic band, and oh, this already had a bobby pin clipped onto it. You can tell I was already using it. So you're going to go ahead and wrap it around the ponytail, and then take a bobby pin that is not sanitary, but I'm going to take the bobby pin and then just secure that elastic band into the ponytail. And if it feels good, make sure you don't place that ponytail somewhere it's going to hurt, because you don't want your head hurting throughout the whole night because you have a bobby pin stabbing your skull. So now I take the braid. You can take the regular hair on its own if you want to. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around the ponytail. So I kind of do have an elastic band there, and I don't want that showing. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to hide that as good as I can. So take a ponytail and hide that rubber band that I have there. If you guys don't have a rubber band, you don't have to worry about that, but just try to make it look as nice and discreet as possible, because you don't want all that showing. So then I'm going to take the little end piece and pin that in too, so it doesn't come out. And comb the ponytail out, smoothing it out, because sometimes this is synthetic hair, it's gonna get tangled. I mean, natural hair gets tangled. My ponytail is so crooked, but usually I straighten this just because of how I'm using the camera and stuff. And so Remember guys, this is synthetic hair. So if it gets tangled or something, just run your fingers very lightly through it because you don't want to mess up the fibers of the hair, or take like a brush and like be very harsh brushing it out because it is going to get tangled. But for a $15 synthetic ponytail, like I said, this looks really good. I mean, look at that. I just got my little Ariana Grande ponytail in less than 10 minutes. But yes, look how good this ponytail looks. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see. I mean, isn't that a super cute ponytail for $15? I mean, I really can't complain. And this is why it's been my go-to. I've had this ponytail in this color black. I also have it in brown. I'm going to show you guys the brown ones. The brown ones, I'm just going to warn you, I wore a lot more times, so it's looking a little crazy. This is brown. And here was my other little braid because I've been wearing a braid. And they also have a blonde one, but I haven't worn the blonde one because honestly, I don't have blonde hair, so. But that one's super blonde. But for $15 and, you know, just running to Sally's Beauty Supply or just even ordering it online, it's a really good ponytail to have around just in case of emergency. If you don't have time to get ready and you just want to look good super fast, this is a really good go-to ponytail. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and hopefully it will save your life to have a couple of these ponytails laying around. So when you're tight on time, or even if you're on a budget, this ponytail can help you look fabulous in no time. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.